This IRS notice takes effect immediately. On July 4th, 2023, the Internal Revenue Service will end most unannounced taxpayer visits by revenue officers. This will reduce public confusion and enhance overall safety measures for taxpayers and employees. The growth in scam artists bombarding taxpayers has increased confusion about home or business visits by IRS revenue officers. Sometimes scam artists appear at the door posing as IRS agents, creating confusion for not just the taxpayer, but local law enforcement should they be called. Ending unannounced taxpayer visits will aid in protecting the IRS workers in an effort to deter personal threats, since there are various anti-tax groups with malicious intent using the internet or social media to track down and identify IRS employees, their family members, their home addresses, and other personal information to intimidate or locate them for ill harm. In place of unannounced visits, revenue officers will make contact with taxpayers through an appointment letter known as 725B and schedule a follow-up meeting. At that time, taxpayers whose cases have been assigned to a revenue officer can schedule face-to-face meetings and designate a place and time. Now, don't get it twisted. There are a few unique circumstances where unannounced visits will take place. The IRS noted there will still be extremely limited situations where unannounced visits will occur. These rare instances include service of summons and subpoenas, and also sensitive enforcement activities involving seizures of assets, especially those at risk of being placed beyond the reach of the government. To put this in perspective, these types of situations typically number less than a few hundred each year, a small fraction compared to the tens of thousands of unannounced visits that typically occur annually under the old policy. Both the IRS revenue officers and the taxpayer are totally stressed out by these visits. Personally, I believe this is a good change. What do you think? Have you ever had an unannounced visit by the IRS? Let me know in the comment section below and watch this next video about surviving an IRS audit. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.